Twilight Zone fans, have we got a show for you? On today's episode, Team Darkstar has been dropped onto the hellish alien world of Sarathos. Their ultimate goal, destroy a monstrous alien creature known as the King Leviathan. And take it from me, people, monstrous is putting it nicely.
Alrighty.
There is a combat arena up ahead. That is your first objective. Be careful. The outside is heavily guarded.
Bad feeling about this.
These things do a hell ton of damage. And are tough to kill as well. It's my own fault that— oh! See what I was talking about? I'm dead already. See what I was talking about? Those things deal damage. Well, I guess I'll have to deal with that. Let's use the magma cannon. What the hell? Where did I come from? Oh, there's already. Oh, leveled up. 20 more power damage with shit.
Each time your weapon upgrades, it unlocks a new alpha modification slot for you to use.
Great. I'm almost dead. How amazing is that?
To hack into one of those ore blocks.
Okay, finally died. Still didn't die?
Well, they got the door open. Now, let's find out what's waiting for them on the other side.
God damn it! I'm wasting all my ammo. Is there anything special that way? There's ammo, so I'm getting it. Also a bit of HP, which is always welcomed. Let's hope it all goes well from down here. Whoa.
Oh, goody, the swamp is up next. Oh,
Let's go. Moving to the next challenge, I guess. Sarathos Sprint. Locate the Puma. I'm going to buy this one just in case. Acid is good. I'm going to buy, yes, I want to configure.
An alpha mod can only be equipped onto a single weapon at a time. You will need to add and remove the mods in order to put them onto different weapons. Select a weapon, scroll down to the alpha upgrade, and press X to enter the alpha modification menu.
Well, might as well have this on every weapon until I get more mods. And this one is good because it poisons the enemies, and I like having poisoned enemies.
wow,
It means they can die faster.
One false move and those alien suckers will be eating your head for lunch.
My mother used to serve Lomax brains for breakfast with eggs and salsa. Muy bueno.
Yikes! Remind me never to eat at your house.
How the hell did they eat Lombax brains if Ratchet is one of the last Lombax alive. Okay, good. That was a close call, but I don't care, I'll take it. Bolts. So many bolts I'm already getting. Okay, I wasted one of them. Great.
Double swing shot. I cannot bear to look.
Whoa. So scary. Come on, use that.
Do it for fun. It's a simulator. You got it, boss. Save some bad guys for me.
Nope. I'll kill them all.
Activated, sir.
Oh, leveled up again, which is good. Speed mod. Whoa, shit. That was a fail.
Let's get out of this swamp before I start rusting up.
My eyes! I'm trying, God, my contact lenses are killing me, I need to take them off.
In order to advance to the Leviathan lair, Team Darkstar must capture 3 control nodes.
Out of the way, niggas. Whoa, 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 whoa. That wasn't part of the plans. That thing destroyed me way too fast. Shit.
Only needs to capture 2 more nodes.
Die, out of the way. I need a new Puma. Where can I find one? Should I commit suicide? Sometimes committing suicide is actually faster. So that's why I did it.
Alien monkey food for you in this place.
Okie dokie.
He's completed the 3rd stage. Tell him what he's won, Juanita.
He's won an all-expense-paid trip to the Leviathan's lair, where he will enjoy golf, tennis, fine dining, and an agonizing death as he is slowly dissolved by stomach acids in the Leviathan's colon.
Oh yeah, the dream thing that I wanted. Cowabunga! This game is so rad.
We are now
Heck
in
the
the
orbs.
final moments before the epic showdown with the King Leviathan. Team Darkstar must hack all the orbs to wake up that big fella. Happy hunting!
I am breathless with anticipation.
Sure you're not just breathless because you get to sit up here next to me?
No, but that does explain why I'm feeling nauseous.
Who said I'm running? I'm killing all these niggas. Whoa, great. What? Speed mod, which can actually be a good thing, I suppose. Whoa, these little chits actually hit me. When will this shit die? I do have this weapon that I still need to use. Okay, about time. Oh, and it leveled up. How cool is that?
Ratchet, if you want to gain more experience or earn more bolts, you can return to any challenge you have already completed.
I don't really care about bolts, but I want to complete every challenge,
Time
so
for an adrenaline charge.
let's
Hover
do
like
it.
race. Ratchet's racing to beat the clock. Each checkpoint he passes earns him a few extra seconds. Gentlemen, start your engines.
Oh shit, that was pretty miscalculated. Running around at the speed of sound. No, that's Sonic, so yeah, I'm not going to sing that. Oh yeah, denied. I don't even know what the hell that is, but I got it. That's all that matters. Swamp Fever. Oh, I know this one. We need to
Red
kill
Zone has unleashed an
Leviathans.
angry pack of Leviathans for Team Darkstar to battle. They'll have to destroy them all before time runs out.
Die already.
Juanita, if Ratchet can pull this one out, I will shave this gorgeous head of hair.
Right. Like that rug is really attached to your head.
Excuse me, Miss Smarty Pants. This is not a wig. Here, take a Red Bull. Here. Now tell me that doesn't feel natural.
Nice. It's amazing what they can do with hair plugs these days.
Ah, you little piss of shit. Why is he dying? Come on. I'm going to run out of time if this keeps on. Where are the last two? There they are. Only two. There are three. It's over. Okie dokie. So we're moving on. Another planet on the list. Let's go.
And now, for a Vox Sports Update, Dreadzone's Extermination of the Day award goes to Shellshock for his 360 Tomahawk finishing move on Plutonium Jones.
It was a beauty, Dallas, and it marks Shellshock's third extermination of the season.
At fourth, actually, the Omega Twins count as two.
Good point. And we're now live with Shellshock for comments. Shellshock?
Those Omega Twins went down like wee little girly men.
Yes, quite ironic, especially since they were actually teenage girls.
Yeah, ironic. Hey, Juanita, are you wearing Ace Hardlight underwear?
And now for a heartwarming story in entertainment news. Courtney Gears has made a remarkable recovery after a near-death experience last year when she was attacked by two psychotic fans.
Ah, poor girl. You know, you just hate to see that kind of senseless violence.
It's appalling, Dallas. I'd just like to take those two creeps and...
I'm sure we all would, Juanita. And you may just get your wish, because those very evildoers are about to come face to face with the mighty Shellshock. Catch it all live on Dreadzone.